All right, guys, if you are tired of grinding away at a job that just doesn't pay you what you are worth, then this video is for you. And I'm talking about making real money, working in a high growth industry and building a career that doesn't keep you in the same spot year after year. And here's the thing, you don't need a fancy degree or 20 years of experience to make it happen. In 2025, tech sales is still one of the fastest ways to elevate your career, increase your income, and work remotely, if that's what you want to do. And in today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can transition into tech sales step by step. But first, let me tell you about my journey. I've spent 18 years in tech, and it wasn't always pretty. I've worked in everything from customer support to project management to software engineering. I even did 2 internships back in the day. But here's the funny part. I was out here chasing big paychecks, thinking that each new role that I had was going to be the one. I thought being a software engineer was the key to making millions. Turns out I was wrong. I bounced around from software engineer to customer success manager and even retail jobs like Menards. And yeah, Menards is like a Home Depot, just in case you didn't know. It wasn't until I landed in tech sales as an enterprise account executive that everything clicked. I finally realized that this wasn't just a job, it was a whole career path that could pay me what I was worth. So let's talk about where you will probably start. If you are new to tech sales, you will be probably looking at one of these 3 roles. A sales development rep, also known as an SDR, where you will be doing outbound prospecting, which is finding leads and booking meetings. The base salary for these guys is around $50,000 to $70,000 a year, with the commissions to earn around $20,000 to $30,000 a year. Another role is that of a business development rep, also known as a BDR. And in this role, you will be responsible for building relationships and warming up the customers to the AEs so that the AEs can close them. And the base salary for this type of a role is around $55,000 a year to $75,000 a year, with an opportunity to make a commission of $30,000 to $40,000 a year. Or the role of an account executive, where you will be managing the entire sales process from cold outreach to closing deals. And the base salary for these individuals are $70,000 a year to $100,000 a year, with a commission opportunity of $50,000 a year to $100,000 a year. And just to let you know that most people start as SDRs or BDRs and then level up to account executives or sales engineers within a year or 2. And the good news is that you don't need 10 years of experience to break in. You just need the right plan. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here's the exact 90-day plan that you will need to follow in order for you to get into tech sales. You want to research 10 to 15 target companies and start following them on LinkedIn. Take a boot camp like Course Careers or Level Careers to learn the fundamentals. Optimize your LinkedIn profile and start building connections. And networking matters, y'all. You want to follow people in the roles that you want. Comment on their posts and even slide in their DMs to let them know that you are serious. You want to apply to 8 jobs every single day and keep track of your progress in a spreadsheet. You should join communities like SDR Nation and Rev Genius to expand your network, and start posting about your progress on LinkedIn to build your personal brand. And listen, guys, job hunting is a numbers game, just like sales is. The more you apply, the better your chances will be. And don't be afraid to get rejected. It is all part of the process. Practice with mock interviews using the STAR method. Follow up with every recruiter and hiring manager that you meet, and keep applying until you secure that role. And remember this, guys, the fortune is in the follow-up. Now let me tell you about Akire, a client of mine. When he started, he was working in car sales, making about $48,000 a year. And man, he was grinding, but he didn't have a clear path. So we sat down in a one-on-one coaching session and built a plan. And he took the Course Careers boot camp and applied to 8 jobs a day and tracked every application. And here are his results. In just 4 weeks, he landed 3 offers and took an SDR role starting at $92,000 a year. And now he is 2 years into his role and already had 2 promotions. and pulling in over $200,000 a year. Now, if Akira can do it, so can you. It just takes the right strategy and a little bit of hustle. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a little secret. If you want to thrive in tech sales, you gotta master these 3 skills: cold calling and cold emailing. You want to learn how to reach out, how to handle objections, and how to book meetings. Use tools like Salesforce and LinkedIn Sales Navigator to stay organized. You want to learn how to do a customer discovery, also known as a disco. You have to be curious and you have to ask the right questions to understand your customers' pain points. And you have to be able to negotiate, which also means a win-win for both. And I recommend the book Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. Now, one quick thing, tech sales ain't like selling cars or door-to-door selling products like solar panels or any of that annoying stuff. It's really about being a consultant. So you are solving problems, not just selling products. When you think about sales, there's traditional sales, which focuses on quick wins and product features. But for tech sales, it's all about aligning technology with your client's business goals. And the better you understand your client's problems, the better you can sell the solution. Now, all right, if you guys are still with me here in this video, that means that you are serious about making this a career shift for yourself. So here's what you need to do next. Start with Course Careers. Take the free intro course. Link is in the description of this video. And then sign up for the full course with my 10% discount link in the description as well. If you guys need more support, my team at www.blackheights.com is here to help you with any sort of coaching that you need. This is what Akira did. This is what many clients have done in order for them to break into the tech sales space. And look, guys, 2025 is going to be here before you know it, whether you are ready for it or not. And once it is here, you still need to be ready because it's going to fly by like 2024 has. So don't let another year pass you by without making a change. You should apply, you should follow up, you should get those interviews and land that role. The career that you want, the career that you deserve is out there for you. You just have to go and get it. Now, guys, before you go ahead and hit the like button if you like this video. Not only that, if you have a comment, drop a comment in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you are ready to elevate yourself and ready to take the next step in your career. We've got videos that we drop on a Tuesday and a Thursday, and we do a live stream on a Monday at 6 p.m. Central. And you don't want to miss those live streams. You can get your questions answered, and we have a whole bunch of fun, guys. We will see you guys on the next video. Until next time, guys, keep grinding. Let's build a career of your dreams. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.